proper, this is gon' hit. Taking flights in a chopper. The feds mad, they can't.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We back with another reaction video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel. Simply Not Simple. We drop daily reactions over here on the channel. We don't really miss a day unless it's, something going on like, life. You feel me? But I try and drop every day though. So yeah, subscribe to the channel. We got LA Leakers video. Vaughn, you feel me? So yeah, we about to check this out. There was a recommended video. Now they told me it was a lot of bars in this song, bro. They told me it was a freestyle. They told me it was a lot of bars in this freestyle, bro. So I'm here. I'm here. That's what brought me here. So I'm about to check it out. They requested this on like 2 videos I did. So I'm gonna get straight to it. Hold on, Vaughn. I appreciate all the support. You feel me?
Hey, Leakers, just incredible. DJ Sour Milk. Oh, we here tonight.
Yeah, we is here.
I'm on some lonely shit. Snoop Dogg, my favorite rapper. Come on, dog.
Okay. Okay.
Rest in peace, Nate. The greatest. I tell these fake ass rappers, if you don't get involved, I'm gonna knock your ass out too. Look, we got a point to prove.
Why he say that? Why you on the rappers like that, bro? What they do? What they do, bro? Hold on.
You hear it. Rest in peace, Nate. The greatest. I tell these fake ass rappers, if you don't get involved, I'm gonna knock your ass out too. Look, we got a point to prove tonight. Wolverine, the way I heal through all my raw pains. I know niggas who got it worse, that's why I don't complain. You gotta see the shit I overcame. But I'm the last airbender, I control the wave, it's flexibility.
I'm the last airbender, I control the wave. Hold on. I heard the one before that too, the cream pop bar, but I just ain't want to stop that much, bro. He already cooking. 33 seconds in. 15 of that was an intro. What's going on here? Let's see. Hey, I know I ain't the only one that know a female with the Betty Boop all through her car. On her seats, the floor mats, bro. The air freshener on the thing, bro. Like, what's up? They really love Betty Boop.
She gets gin and juice. The bitch keep going through my phone. She gets top and Snoop. I'm legendary like the night I met with Top and Snoop. I branched out and I started black. This is rotten fruit, but Top don't sign niggas who mother. I branched out and started blacking. This is rotten fruit. Bro, we catching all of it. I don't need headphones for this, bro. We catching all of it right now, bro. Hold on. What? What's the point of EBT? Locust ass nigga, I'm still flexing. Bro, he said they don't want to see me eat. So what's the point of EBT? Bro, what? Bro, hold on. With that EDD, my auntie did my taxes this year. No, I'm going back. I'm feeling generous. Watch me give his ass a halo, cause they don't want to see me eat. Well, what's the point of EBT? Locust ass nigga, I'm still flexing with that EDD. My auntie did my taxes this year. We didn't even speak. My grip, but they still blessed them with that PPP. I just carry my fortunate. Okay. From the bottom into okay. They blessed them with that PPP. Okay. Okay, hold on. Nigga, I'm still flexing with that EDD. My auntie did my taxes this year. We didn't even speak. My cousin, he a grip, but they still blessed him with that PPP. I just carry my fortunate a bitch. Bottom into now, I had to build it like suspense. Okay. Never been on the fence. Okay. Bro, not only he coming with the bars right now, bro. It's the flow switches. It's the little switches he doing with his voice when he's saying certain words, bro. The placement, bro. Amazing. I know, yeah, I know, I definitely know people that do that. Yeah, be like, hey, get in the back. Why? No, just get in the back. You.
Okay. Bro, dude is snapping right now. He's snapping right now, bro. He is snapping right now, bro. It ain't nothing, bro. Ain't nothing nobody can tell this man about this right here. He talking his shit with the bars included, with the flow switches included, with the EBT card included, bro. Like, y'all see it. It's right there, bro. He got it for real. EBT benefits. I was born in this generation. Chasing after commas cause family complete sentences. A lot of rappers in my age group really be hit or miss, but I don't miss shit, and I always got a hit to give. Long Beach yachts like my portion, it's off the top. This ain't musical chairs, ain't no tricking me out my spot. See, okay. Double cross me and thinking that I forgot. So until the finish line of my soul inside of a box is gonna be fuck y'all. My whole vibe on do not disturb. Yeah. Don't put me through some shit that I did not deserve. Bro, story of my life, bro. Man, I need a shirt printer. Bro, what? Certain people watching this, you know why. You know why I paused it right there, bro. I've been dealing with things I didn't deserve for years. Years. Mama's made it 21st while all the gunshots occurred and enemies get stopped like they forgot the word. Too much love for me to hate on you. Speaking down behind my back, but then it's shame on you. I told the girl I thought I loved, I can't wait on you. And if you gotta lie about how you fuck with me, I'm straight on you. For real, I know it's shit. Bro, who recommended this video, bro? Do I know you? I'm finna have to go to your page, bro. Cause, bro, ain't no way. Ain't no way. Okay. Why is he going so hard right now, bro? We 2 minutes in, bro. I can't keep stopping. Why is he going in like this right now? Why is he going in like this right now, bro? What's going on? Okay. Bro, I want to break something right now. I want to throw something. He got me amped right now. Bro, I want to throw something, bro. Why are you going this hard, bro? Why you going this hard, bro? What you got to prove? I'm finna have to check you out, bro. I'm finna have to go to your music and see what that's about. It better be the same energy, bro. Cause you pulled up here with a point to prove, like you one of them. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to check something else out. I said check. What the hell? Bitch that's gonna get big headed over lights. Tried to buy love, but quickly found out it was overpriced. The first in my family to do this shit. I'm the prototype. 30K a show, you doing open mic. Raised by a gun, and it's ironic because my pops ain't giving no advice. Rapping car, but couldn't stay the same because there's no room to turn into a star. Keep my feelings bottled up, they hope nobody breaks the jaw. Okay. You get the bigger picture. Once you zoom in, business cards with Moo got them tying up some loose ends. Old friends jealous once you make it out the streets. Once you show them too much love, they try to play you like you. Hold on, no. Ain't no way, bro. Now the beat stopped. He said, I'm gonna keep going though. He said, bro, hey, stop who? I still got more head ass. Hey, no cap, bro. If y'all watch battle rap, dude would be crazy. Well, no, I don't know. I ain't even gonna say that. He might go out there and get washed. You feel me? I ain't even gonna say that. But yeah, this fire though. You get the bigger picture. Once you zoom in, business cards with Moo got them tying up some loose ends. Friends jealous once you make it out the streets. Facts. Too much love, they try to play you like you weak. Facts. I love my brothers when I folding under pressure, and I be with Cam so much I'm feeling like a whole director. My whole team buzzing out and started up
a hive, nigga. Let's go. Zoom in. He's here.
My whole buzzing, I just started up a hive.
More up. You got the other one. There's more? Hey, let's go. We ain't stopping.
That is not the. Is that in the air? He ain't finna do what Lil Snoop did. He ain't go do what Lil Snoop did, bro. Benny Siegel, bro. Hold on. Come on. I'm listening. I'm listening, bro. I'm listening. With the EBT. That's his BM card, though. We already know that.
Listen to me. I carry that kind of love in my heart that you would never find.
Okay.
So scared of their demons. I make friends with mine. I might have bit the truth, but I never lied. I need something to feel alive when I'm dead inside. All my personal issues I'm learning to set aside. Cause I planted the seed and niggas came with pesticides. Give y'all.
I planted the seeds and niggas came with pesticides. Bro, they coming with them right now, but guess what? I prepared for that mentally. You feel me? Y'all can't stop me, bro. Y'all can't stop me right now. Every day, no matter how much you talking about me negatively, when you check YouTube, check your notifications, because I know you subscribe, you going to see me posting another video again. It ain't stopping. So, I wish you the best. Simply not simple. Facts. Facts. I ain't gonna say that. He said when I was robbing niggas' houses and got the honor roll. Can you say that? Can you say that? Okay, nah, going back. Hold on.
Since I was robbing people's houses and got honor roll.
Mm-hmm.
I was 9 when I made the decision. I'ma go platinum like Fubu. That's when I learned the same ones who love you or try to use you. Everybody trying to win, so nobody cry when they lose you. We had nothing in the crib we could eat but some ramen noodles. Every dog got his day. You better mark your calendar. Everybody get a shot, but I'm a different caliber. And wrote this corner while you sleep, I make you pick the pallet up. See, I was crying out for help, but wasn't screaming loud enough. So it was quiet for my fake brothers. Only 8 others. We turned to the Section 8 brothers. And we so tired we squeeze through and they take cover. Arnold with the fist if they play busted. The buildings gon' take structure. Can't let them fake lovers.
Oh my, bro, I'm from St. Louis, bro. What he talking about is a lot of people here. You feel me? A lot of people here know exactly what he talking about. The life he describing, the life that he saying is a lot of people's lives that they lived here, bro. This is fire. I need more. I might have to do more freestyles or something, because this right here, unexpected. You feel me?
We turn to the Section 8 brothers. And we so tired we squeeze through and they take cover. Arnold with the fist if they play busted. The buildings gon' take structure. Fake lovers. Cause shit, that's all on me. See,
Facts.
Domino effect, cause they gon' fall on me.
Facts.
They fall off, I promise they could call on me.
Facts.
I've been dealing with just built the wall on me. Yeah.
Facts.
Questions I just wanna ask my daddy, like why you fuck with my mama and bring me into this family. Ain't expected I have me address it like Sina Addy. 1632 if you ask me, that shit is nasty. Look, we used to pray for all them $100 sneaks.
Bro, if you ask me, I say the same thing, bro. Hey, if you ask a lot of people, they'll say that's nasty, bro. What are you talking about? What are you talking about right now, bro? Hold on.
Bring me into this family. Ain't expected I have me address it like Sina Addy. 1632 if you ask me, that shit is nasty. Look, we used to pray for all them $100 sneaks. Standing by the stove just to get some heat.
Facts.
Dirty clothes. I had stains on my teeth.
Facts.
Stains on my mind because my bed smell like Pete. Look, Buck used to have them fiends running in and out.
Okay.
Mama couldn't pay them bills. We couldn't keep a house. I bought shit we didn't have. That's why we went without.
Okay.
Steven tried to touch my sister. Then he hit the couch. Damn, them white.
You said what, bro? And you ain't smack them up, bro? You ain't smack them up, bro? Or did you? Let me be quiet. You probably did. Hold on. Let me go back.
Running in and out. My mama couldn't pay them bills. We couldn't keep a house. A lot of shit we didn't have, that's why we went without. While Steven tried to touch my sister, then he hit the couch. Damn, them Buena Vista days. I really missed them days. Half of them in a cage, other half in the grave. We grew, but we didn't age. Tore from a different page, from a house that we didn't save. Like people doing sage, I used to live in color. As a
Nope.
lady, I just been in beige. Cause where I'm from, they let it ring. Who try to get engaged? You get a DP if you slide, didn't engage. Caught in the middle, that's what happens when you send a stage.
Yeah, yeah.
What happens when you hate a man? Got me feeling less in these situations I'm greater than. The east of the city, so all my family's a Raider fan. Wanna talk to my dead homies, haven't even got a data plan. You ever put the seat back to sleep
Bro.
in the car? You ever live
Yeah.
with somebody while they eating your stars?
Yeah. 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 And the crazy thing, I've been in that situation, and I was the one bringing the food. That's crazy, huh? That's crazy, huh?
You ever looked in the mirror and just hate who you are? Or just to say and make you relive it? Or think of the scars?
I have too, bro. I have too, bro.
Hold on, man. Now, before this started, you know, I saw the chain and I was gonna ask you about it, but I think the bars just answered my question.
Oh my. Ain't no fucking question. TDE about to run his shit. That's on everything I love. Top dog forever. We hustle like there's no tomorrow because tomorrow doesn't exist. You know what I'm talking about?
Fat, bro. Bro.
Ray Vaughn.
100.
Still got my fucking food stamp card. See that, my brother.
100.
Thank you for coming through the LA. I appreciate y'all for having me.
Yo,
Been hearing a lot about you.
Bro, I appreciate you for stopping through too, bro. And blessing the channel, because, bro, oh my God. Oh my God. He came with the bars for days, bro. The bars, the messages, bro. Everything he was saying was all facts, bro. Very relatable. I'm not gonna lie to you. It was very relatable, bro. Like, hey, yeah. You one of them, keep going, don't stop. I know this was like a year ago, so I know you probably dropped a lot of music because how hungry you is in this video, bro. I know you probably dropped a lot of music since then. So, yeah, I appreciate you. You feel me? For blessing us with your talents. You hear me? But, yeah, we about to check out another reaction video. Subscribe to the channel, Simply Not Simple. This was Gas. And, yeah, I'll see y'all at the next one. Peace.
Taking flights in a chopper. The feds mad, they can't stop us.